Hello, everyone, and welcome to the deliverable for the week. So, this is the big homework that you have to do for the week. All right, first, you're going to watch the video that you're watching now, and then you will go into async. You have 3 activities to do. You have an article to read, a newsella about procrastination. All right, and then after you read the article, there is a quiz. Now, before you do the quiz, and also before you read the article, you can always go and read the questions for the quiz before you read the article. That way you know what to look for. All right. Then you are going to do a Flipgrid. Remember to sign into the Flipgrid using your Carlos Rosario email. You have 1 minute and 30 seconds. Write down what you will say before you start recording. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Good luck.